Morning guys, in front of me is Raptor 5G, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer and roll keypad, as this is the panel in which we will be entering the codes. And let's start with a pretty short one. It's *#06#. This one will provide you with device information, so if you need to check IMEI or serial number pretty quickly, that's the best way to do it. Tap on OK to exit. So that will be all for this one, for this first code. Another one is *##, *225, #**. And here we've got the calendar info. So as you can see, I do not have any accounts added yet. However, if you do have, you will be able to see here all upcoming events. So every event that is stored in any of those calendars will be displayed right here. You will not forget about any of them. So it's also a pretty convenient way to check upcoming events. So that's all for this one. Another one is *##, 426, *##. And here you've got the FCM diagnostic panel, in which you can check events and status. Tap on more icon and select advanced view. Here you've got way more details. So that's it. And the last code that I would like to show you today, and you can apply on this device, is *##, 4636, *##. And here you've got the testing panel. Here you can check phone information, user statistics, or Wi-Fi details. Under phone info, you will be able to check your email number, phone number, if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, data service, data network type, voice service, voice network type, and so on. Just scroll through all the data here. You can also run a ping test here. To do it, just mark run ping test, and here you've got the results. So this is it. Let me go back. Under user statistics, you can check apps either by usage time, by last time used, or alphabetically, however you prefer. And here you've got usage time and last time used. And then we've got the Wi-Fi details, where we can check Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. Under status, you are also able to run a ping test. So here it is, and just refresh status to see the current one. So that's it. These are all codes I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.